I'm Felicia and I work for Mesa County Libraries and I work in the Youth Services Department. Today we are going to be making balloon rockets. Now, with balloon rockets, they're really simple and you don't need a lot. You just need a balloon, obviously. You need straw, some string, and some tape. And I will walk you through exactly what we're doing each and every step of the way. So, these will be available July 1st to July 15th, 2020 to pick up, either curbside or in the library location. So the first thing you want to do is thread the straw or the string through the straw. And sometimes it's going to be a little bit difficult, so if you put it down like that, gravity will help you out a little bit. This part is the part that sometimes gets a little frustrated because sometimes the string just gets lost in the straw. You don't know where it's getting lost at, but it just gets lost. Oh, there it is. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Now the second step is to either tie off one end or tape it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tape it to the edge of the table. So I'm just gonna move it right here. We're gonna tape it right there. So the next thing you'll need is your balloon, and then remember, the bigger you blow up your balloon, the farther it's gonna go. Now we only have a short distance here, so we don't need it to be blown up that much. So you take it, we're only gonna blow it up maybe a little bit more. That's good. And then we're gonna take a piece of tape and put the straw on the balloon. Tape it on there. Go ahead and move this out of the way. And then you just let it go. All right, see, kids, remember, the longer your string is and the bigger your balloon is, the farther it's gonna go. And the reason you need a straw on here is so that the balloon doesn't fly all over the room. It just goes right down the string. Now, there may be latex in these balloons, so if you have a latex allergy, maybe ask a grown-up to help you out. And it's not recommended for kids under 3, so just keep that in mind. And if you're having trouble blowing up a balloon or threading the string through the straw, don't be afraid to ask a grown-up because they're always here to help you, and you can do it as many times as you want. When you come and get the kit, you'll also have printed instructions here, so you can go ahead and follow all of the instructions on there and just have fun with it. You can make you can hold it up so it goes down the hill. You can put one side of it down and put the tape part of it up to go down, or so that it's going up a hill. You don't even have to tape it. Maybe you have a friend you want to do it with, and the friend can hold the string, and you can hold the other part, and then you can just switch, go back and forth. Thank you everyone for joining me. I just want to remind you that these are called Take and Make kits, and this is a balloon rocket. You will have everything that you need in the kit minus the tape. And you can go ahead and pick these up between July 1st and July 15th, 2020, at whatever library branch is more convenient for you, inside or at curbside. We are still doing curbside pickups. But another thing is to keep in mind summer reading is going on, and you can find all of that information. Either you can call the Central Library location or you can go online at mesacountylibraries.org and sign up. You can sign up over the phone, you can sign up online, or you can come and visit us and sign up there. Thanks again for joining me. My name is Felicia, and I'll see you next time.